Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. First of all, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT ADF introduction session. Before starting the session, I just want to give you introduction about our YouTube channel, Instagram page, and some information about our website. Then I'll hand over the session to our trainer, Sai Sri. Okay? Yes. So let me start with the YouTube channel. So yeah, this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. We have almost 36K subscribers and we have uploaded more than 460 plus videos here. You can check out. So the videos related to Informatica IDQ, AWS data engineering, cyber security, data analyst Power BI, Snowflake, and many other technology videos are available here. So visit our YouTube channel once. If you like our content, like the videos, comment on them, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. I am sharing the channel link over Zoom chat. Using this link, please subscribe to our channel so that whenever we upload any video, you will get the notification as well, so that you can watch it. Okay. Yes. And we have an Instagram page as well. That is Raz Informatica. 3000 plus followers are there. So our Instagram page is exclusively for job openings. Okay. So whatever the job openings are available and referrals, okay, or any kind of other stuff related to jobs will be posted here over Instagram page. And you can see here the job openings highlights you can see. So this is the highlight where you can see the previous postings as well. Got it? Yes. I can see there is a message. Okay, so is it audible? Can someone confirm me? Am I audible clearly, right? Am I loud and clear? Am I loud and clear? Okay, okay. So I think there is an issue from their end. Okay, thanks for the confirmation. Yes. Yeah, thank you. So we have a website also. Okay, we have a website called razinformatica.com. So initially we have started the courses with Informatica RAS Cloud Technologies. Okay, so this is how the both are same. The both RAS Informatica and RAS Cloud Technologies both are same. And this is our home page. This is our home page. If you just scroll down a bit of our home page, you can able to see all the courses that we are offering right now. All the courses that we are offering right now. Generative AI professional certification training, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF program, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud IaaS IDMC, Artificial Intelligence with Machine Learning, Cyber Security and Ethical Hacking, Microsoft Power BI and Data Analyst program, GCP Professional Certification Training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Python full stack development, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce, and AWS and DevOps. These are few of our other trainings that what we are offering in RAS Cloud Technologies. If you just scroll down a bit, you can able to see here upcoming free live sessions. This is a separate section where everyone can join the free live sessions, like whatever the sessions that we are offering for free of cost. Even the both enrolled people and the newly joining people both will be available here. So for them you can just visit this web page. Here you can see all our upcoming classes also. Today on 2nd of September, Snowflake DBT and ADF program at 7 p.m. Today, artificial intelligence with machine learning at 8 p.m. Tomorrow, Informatica Cloud IaaS IDMC. Day after tomorrow, it is AWS data engineering. This is how we have planned all our sessions. Okay. So if you want to join any of these classes, click on join now and just submit your details. You will get the Zoom links. Apart from these courses and everything, we have other stuff is also available in our website. If you can just go to the interview section here, there are many useful interview questions that we have uploaded on Power Center, Snowflake, AWS, Oracle, IISc, IDMC, and many others. Okay, and even we are offering the materials as well. Power Center, Informatica Cloud IaaS, types of tasks, Unix, Oracle, data warehousing concepts, and many more are available. Okay, and exclusively we are offering the internship programs also for specifically for freshers, the people who passed out in the year 2025 and who is going to pass out in the year 2026. For these 2-year passed out students, you will be getting the internship certificates also if required. Okay, so now let me get into the complete information about Snowflake. In the courses section, you can see all listed courses here. You can see all the listed courses here. Select Snowflake training. Select Snowflake training. Okay, now in this page, you are going to see the complete information about the Snowflake program. Got it? Yes. So we have done with one of our introduction class already. Today is the first session. Whoever missed this introduction class, you can just go to our YouTube channel. Okay. You can see here on 28th, like we have done one session. Okay. This is a session. Snowflake DBT and ADF online training, online demo session. I'm just like sharing this link with you over Zoom chat. Okay, so over Zoom chat, I shared the session link as well. Whoever missed the last session, you can just go through. Yeah, sorry for that. Yes. Okay, so this is our first session. Today you are going to see about account creation and some introduction about Snowflake. If you can just drop just like scroll down here something here, like you can see Snowflake DBT and ADF technologies thought, like what are the technologies that we are going to cover here, what is the course unique features, course curriculum, okay, what and all we are going to cover here, each and everything you can see in this page, and about your instructor, and at the end of the program what you will be reading. Okay, all these things you can see here. Okay, and we have two batches, morning and evening. The morning batch timings are 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch timings are 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. These are the two batches available right now. Okay, and morning and evening two are two different batches. Okay, now we are starting with the morning batch actually. The first two class of this morning batch will be in the evening, like as we are providing this session for everyone, for even the not paid people also. So we have considered for everyone that evening everyone will be available. So we are taking the classes in the evening for this. Okay. Only today, we are taking the class in the evening. Mostly from the next class, you will be joining in the morning itself. That is morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay. Yes, and you can see the fee also here. The course fees is 15,000 rupees. Okay. The course fee is 15,000 rupees. Uh, yeah, Murari, like you will get the unmute access also. Okay, please stay connected. Once after trainer's explanation, you will get the unmute access as well. You can unmute and you can speak as well. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can post in the chat box. Okay. So I just take another 2 minutes to collect your name and WhatsApp numbers. Name and WhatsApp numbers so that we can share you today's session recording, and the last session recording also I'll share it with you along with this. Okay, just drop me your name and WhatsApp number over chat so that you'll get this today's session recording as well, and we will be adding you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project sessions group as well. Okay, so I hope like last time, like whoever attended the demo, all the people are added to the group already. So if you haven't added yet, just drop me your name and WhatsApp number. We will collect and we will add you right away. We'll just take a 2 minutes break here. We'll just take a sharp 2 minute break. Yeah, I have just like started the timer. Sharp 2 minute break for everyone. Just drop me your name and WhatsApp number so that we'll get into the technical session. I have seen some questions as well. Okay, no worries on that. Every question will be answered. Don't worry about the course duration and the job assistance. Yes, I can see. You have texted me personally also. Everything will be covered. Okay. And there is some special offer is also available today. There is some special offer is also available today. Whoever want to enroll. Okay. So for you people, today is the last day. So just stay connected till end of the session. You'll get the special prize as well. Got it? Yes. So just stay connected till end of the session. You are going to get the complete information about the Snowflake program and the complete information about the classes, the schedule and everything. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Another 1 minute left. So please drop your name and WhatsApp numbers to get the group link, WhatsApp group link, and today's session recording as well. So still anyone is facing like you're unable to see my screen. The people who joined from mobiles. People who joined from mobiles, can someone confirm me? I just now received a message from my team. You are unable to see my screen. Okay, so Rahul, you have joined from the mobile, right? Just the people who joined from mobile, just like text me here. You are able to see my screen, right? Okay, okay, Rahul. Thanks for the confirmation. Yeah. So right now I just like close the timer as well. Okay, so the still the chat is open. If you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number, you can. The chat is still open. Okay. So I'm just like handovering session to the trainer. Sai Sri, over to you, please.
So, hi everyone, good evening. Um, Today we are going with the account creation. Once let me complete the technical stuff, then I'll come with the overview of all the details about other stuff. Okay. So, because few people already joined in the first session, for them it will be like a repetitive information. So that is the reason. First, let me complete this account creation in the deep level. Once this discussion is completed, I'll go with my overall experience, all the details of course, that all information I will explore. So today our first session with account creation. Who is new with the Snowflake also? No need to worry because Snowflake is purely GUI interface like a web user. I mean SaaS, software as a service, SaaS application only. You don't need to install anything. You don't need to upgrade anything. Everything will happen through the SaaS services only. So that is the reason anyone who is new also they can easily understand the subject or interface of the Snowflake. So first let us go with the sign up process. So first we have to give first name and last name and email ID. Email ID is very important, guys. Without if you give wrong email ID, you will miss the activation link. That is the reason. Please verify your email ID. I mean, try to give correct email ID. So then only you can go with the activation link. That is the reason. Okay. And what is the reason is you can go with any information like others I am keeping and click on continue. So here the things will be a little bit different. Company name, any company name you can give. Okay. Any job title you can give, no problem. And here you have to understand the entire work you have to, I mean the main important part is here you have to understand. Okay. So we have Snowflake is totally dealing with why you no need to install anything means Snowflake is totally dealing with the addition basis. Okay, total it is dealing with the additions. We have totally three types of additions. One is standard addition, which is basic. Because why I'm saying basic means it don't have uh, advanced features. Okay, only basic information it is available. That is the reason it is a standard edition. I mean basic means like single cluster, storage, like basic things is there, but it cannot handle with the advanced features. So that nothing but edition is standard edition. In our real time also, in any project we won't use standard edition because every project will expect the advanced only, not the basic. That's the reason we won't go with the concept, edition of standard. Okay. And next one's enterprise. This is really popular from not only now, recently, previous or when the Snowflake came into the market, when people are using, started working with the Snowflake, client will choose actually. Saisri, I only want to deal with this. All I have to take the decision means actually genuinely what will happen in real time is client will take the decision because the client will decide based on their data, based on their region, based on their business, all this they will take the consideration and they will decide. So in that enterprise edition also will come into the picture. What is the benefit of enterprise edition means comparing to standard edition, all the standard edition features are available in enterprise also. That is the reason you can see here standard plus means all the features are available. These features are available here. Plus, additionally, 90 days time travel, multi-clustering warehouse, metallization views, like this, additional advanced features are added. Then when I have to choose enterprise only for this means not like that. Generally, client will, if it is a huge data, it is a e-commerce kind of data or any business data, means it's not sensitive data. Okay, if it is not sensitive data and they have the large amount of sizes of the data but not sensitive means for example banking sector's data, if it is not banking sector data, apart from that any other business the enterprise is applicable because it's not sensitive data, right? We can go with the enterprise edition, but still it's important data and the business also large. In all this combination, for the sensitive data handling we will go with business critical means normal data we can go with enterprise edition. If it is sensitive then we have to push into go with the business critical. Here also whatever the whatever the features available in enterprise, that is also added plus extra security is added. Then SaiSri, there is no security in the existing economy edition is not like that. Security is available in all the editions but additional security is available. Because of that cost differences will come. Storage level or compute level, storage level, we will have cost differences, or compute level, we will have cost differences. So, business person who is client, one time only, when they are going to sign up the account, only one time they will decide which account they have to which edition they have to use. Okay, it's totally client decision, but still, as a Snowflake developers, we have to know what is the background it is happening. So, Snowflake is purely edition basis, not version basis. Okay, so these three versions, as we are doing training part, right, we can go with enterprise. Then, so why this cloud providers? Then, okay, edition basis fine. Then why the cloud providers is coming into the picture? Why the cloud providers means Snowflake is not having its own storage layer and its own compute layer. Okay, Snowflake don't have its own storage layer to store the data, and also compute layer to execute the queries. To execute the queries, it don't have. So that is the reason for storage layer purpose, for compute layer purpose, it will take the cloud provider help. It may be AWS, Azure, or GCP. Then SaiSri, if it is taking any cloud provider help, as a Snowflake developer, I should be pro in this cloud provider. It's not like that, guys. No. Okay, you no need to worry on that. They can host on any cloud provider as per their business. They can decide. Client can decide what is the purpose means. Any of these cloud providers they can decide based on the business. For example, if I go with AWS or other anything you can choose. See, different reasons are there. So what Snowflake is saying means already we have cloud providers with the different regions. In place of creating again separate layer from their side, from Snowflake side, we will take as a rental resources from the other cloud providers. So if you can choose your own cloud provider, whatever your preference, and in which region also you can choose happily. Okay, you means your client. So they can choose whatever the region they want. So based on that region, that account will be Snowflake account will be hosted on top of the cloud provider. Since Sai Sri, it is depending totally outside, right? So we need to do extra efforts, means see one time setup, guys. Only one time. After the setup is completed, for example, you hosted your account on AWS, for example. Okay, still you can connect your Snowflake account with the, if for integration purpose, means for loading the data from other cloud providers to Snowflake. You can connect with any cloud provider. AWS, you are hosting on top of AWS, means that doesn't mean in future loading purpose, data loading purpose, you should not use other cloud providers. It's wrong. Currently, you can host as per your business requirement, but in future, if you are involving Azure or GCP, it is allowed to use. Getting my point? So main the purpose is wherever you are hosting in which region, from that region the space means storage will be occupied, space will be gathered from there, and compute resources means clusters will be also comes from that particular region and that particular cloud provider. So because of this, how Snowflake is benefiting is, again from scratch level, in place of improving the all this all these layers from scratch level, it is bringing the rental resources, right? The problem, whatever the process is there, it will be like a very straightforward, and you will get doubt. I only have to maintain right backend because it is hosted on AWS, means no, it is wrong. Completely Snowflake only will take care about that. You no need to do anything. Once the client is hosted on top of any particular cloud providers, done the point. Inside whatever you want, for example, this account I created, are you able to find on which cloud provider I hosted? No, you cannot see anything here. Okay, until I am going to inside of the account level, there you can find out, okay, this account is created with this cloud provider. Okay, so it's a totally one-time process only. Nothing to do from developer side. Single step also you no need to perform. And then how I can go into this AWS? So okay, I want to go deep level of AWS because I hosted in AWS Singapore location. Can I go deep level? Means no. Only choosing option is they providing to us. After choosing, after creating the account, the entire responsibility of AWS will, I mean, wherever which region you hosted, which cloud provider, the backend entire maintenance responsibility will be taken by Snowflake. That is the reason Snowflake is called as a zero maintenance. Getting my point? I will give only unmute for this clarification only. Please ask me questions on this topic, okay? Don't deviate the class. Later on, I'll give other generic questions related answers. Are you getting my point?
Yes. Just come again, like quickly, like why it is maintenance free? You said just
Why it is hosting on this?
No, maintenance free.
Maintenance free means generally, if you host on any cloud provider, generally what we will expect, we have to maintenance AWS account and Snowflake account, right? Generally. We only have to take care about the storage restriction, means how much allocation should happen, how many resources should be used. This all we have to do generally in other technologies. But in Snowflake, we don't want to do. We have cloud service layer. That layer will take care about all the maintenance. Maximum maintenance will be taken by the cloud service layer. For example purpose I'm saying storage. If you load the data, generally if you refer few technologies, you have to expand the storage before loading the huge data. In Snowflake, you no need to touch any storage expanding. Just you come midnight or any time without any restriction, any time within 24 hours, or I'm not talking about a restriction time, okay? Anytime you can take, you just come and load the data. Automatically expand will happen. Storage will be increased as per your expected storage data. So like that, credits consumption is there. You no need to decide how many credits need to add for this particular query. Snowflake will take care. Access control, for example. You no need to worry about every time it is giving the proper access or suddenly, expected way it is giving access or not. This kind of work you no need to do. Snowflake service, cloud service will layer will take access control, authentication, maintenance, like this. A lot of work, maintenance related work is handled by cloud service layer. That is the reason Snowflake will call as a zero maintenance.
Okay, thank you.
Even serverless features. If I say like this, so many are there. People may not understand this keywords, few people. Just for idea purpose. Serverless features like this, so many things are maintained by Snowflake. I want to go deep level of architecture, then you will understand more than this actually. Yeah, tell me.
Actually,
That's
yeah, in other words, I mean, in general, so we are using any of the cloud provider uh, for Snowflake, correct? I mean, if I
yeah.
say if I say in layman term, we are installing Snowflake on top of AWS or Azure or GCP.
Installing means really we won't install,
Yeah.
we'll choose
Yes,
option. Okay. Okay.
yes.
Uh,
I'm just for
yeah.
my understanding purpose, we are doing that only, right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
But we again, some people will get doubt. Sai Sri, you are choosing AWS, so I need to sign up with AWS account first. You don't do any sign up. If you do, also Snowflake won't allow. It is giving only options to you that AWS account will be handled. Whatever they are using backend, it is not accessible for the users. And totally 100% control under Snowflake only. At the time of creation, you are saying right. Continuously go through my course. Nowhere we will talk about this option again. It's one time only. Again, if you want no SaiSri, I have records in files in AWS. Can you load it? Means you have to create your own account. You miss general in project also. We have to maintain our own AWS separate account. From there integration we have to do. I mean connection, and we have to load. No SaiSri, I already have AWS account hosted on AWS. Right? Means this is not our account. Under control of Snowflake. Clear, everyone?
Yeah. So
Small doubt also, please ask me. Yeah, tell me.
I have one doubt. So this we need not choose Microsoft Azure right now. So
You can choose.
I can choose, right? Okay. And one more thing, like this is for 30 days. So this thing would be for 2 months, right? So we will lose all data and we have to create a new one after
Yeah,
30
obviously
days.
free trial, right? If you paid, it will be extended, but we don't want to pay for practice purpose. Yes, if you load any data again, if you come, I mean, your account is completed, closed, after 30 days, you have to go with a new account again from scratch level. And not only 30 days, maybe within 15 days, if you complete the $400 worth of usage, means that much work you done. That case
Okay.
also before 30 days also it will close. Two combinations, 30 days or worth of usage. Anything it will close.
Okay, got it.
So, SaiSri, internally the whole data, I mean, will store in AWS. I mean, you choose AWS.
Yeah, if we choose AWS in this location, it will add.
So
Satya,
like
please
that
don't touch
S3,
screen.
there is a, I mean, S3 buckets are there in AWS. So automatically it will load into that one.
See, actually, it's not S3 only. Yes, I will agree. S3 is a little bit familiar to everyone. Actually, in AWS, we have different storage systems also, right? In S3 also different category. Satya, please don't touch the screen. Yeah. So we don't actually. If you ask me, can you show me exactly it is going with S3 or not? Means no one can show you that. It's completely closed box. As per our understanding, it is going with AWS S3 only. Okay. Back end, it is taking a simple S3 or S3 means simple storage system or any other. In S3 also different categories are there. Any other things it is taking, we don't know. And they are not giving choice to select that storage. But generally, yes, in storage system only it is storing, AWS storage system.
Oh.
It may be S3 also.
And Snowpipe is there, you told in previous class. So with the AWS Snowpipes will create. So
yeah, that is our choice, na?
Okay.
That is our choice. Your client is pushing the files into S3 bucket, and this S3 bucket you are able. I mean, AWS account you should be able to log in again. I'm saying, and then you will connect your AWS account with Snowflake. Okay, after connection is completed, connection is established, then you will use Snowpipe and will push the data.
Okay, so you will cover those that
is
topic also.
that topic, yeah. That is loading of topic actually. I'll cover. That is separate.
Okay, thank you.
Again, I'm repeating the same point. Some people will get SaiSri, you choose, for example, if you choose Azure, still I can load the data from S3 to Snowflake means 100%. They are saying you can host on your expected region and expected cloud provider. That doesn't restrict to connect with any other cloud provider. Okay, you can host on Azure and you can integrate with AWS, or you can host on AWS and you can integrate with Azure. Any combination it will support. Got it? Actually, in real time, if I talk real time, you won't see this all setup only. They will set up, right? You'll just add like a user. How in your Outlook, how we will add as a user in our companies in Outlook, something like that.
No,
So
it means
transfer.
Sorry.
no. I have one question. It means we are using the database means Microsoft Azure database storage layer. We are using to store the data, right?
If you select Azure, then it's a blob storage system.
Okay. It's actually like a data lake or a database storage layer.
Database storage. Snowflake is database and data warehouse actually.
Okay.
Yeah, hi, Sai Sri.
Hi.
Sai Sri,
Yeah,
could you please
actually,
repeat what you said just now about the
Sorry.
data lake?
He asked me it's a data lake or database means Snowflake is database with the data warehouse.
Okay.
Yeah. You are someone is asking Ram or something.
yeah.
Ramesh.
In general, we have three platforms, right? So in the
Mhm.
three platform, what platform mostly used by the clients?
The client resource system will decide that actually.
Okay, so the client will decide, right?
Maximum, yeah, I found AWS and Azure more hosting, I'm saying, but there is not guarantee for every project. But the client source, that's the reason. Client will decide that based on his source system.
Simultaneously they can use, right? So both platform. Is there any
No, no,
chance?
no.
Only
Main
single
account you have to host one on top of one only. Okay.
Okay.
Again, if you once you are connected with the account, you can choose the multiple child accounts. Another new accounts you can create. This is my main account. Inside this again I can create. But billing will be added. If I create new account with now AWS, right? I can ship to Azure also. For example, this is already hosted. Main account is hosted on AWS, but I can create another account inside of this account only. I can create another account with a different edition. Not a problem. But what will happen means the new account, whatever the child accounts is there, the billing will be added to the main account only.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Yeah. But at a time we cannot switch like 1, 2 like that we cannot switch.
Okay. So based on client requirement.
Yeah. They only will create actually. We won't see that setup also. If you see means you are like a very senior developer, architect level people working with the client means there's a chance to see. Or else you won't see the setup also.
Yes, Sai Sri, what is the use of the child accounts? Just to show, right?
I mean, actually, use means if any huge big company, very big company, they have different categories of business. They want to maintain separate AWS Snowflake account. In that case, they can take a choice. It's an option. Company is there, but they have different categories of. I mean, they have, for example, travels related business and medical related business and any other business like 2 to 3 items. Different businesses are there. They don't want to. They don't want. I mean, they do. 1 minute. They don't want to club everything into one account. They have to make it separate business. I mean, separate accounts. In place of creating completely separate account, in one account they can make 3 accounts. So each business will dedicate it to one Snowflake account.
Okay.
Getting my
got
point?
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is very rarely you'll see. Till now, I didn't see this kind of projects also. But if they required, client can make this option. Possibilities are there if it is required.
So can we use Git in real time? I mean, as a Snowflake developer.
Snowflake with Git, no, we are not using now.
Okay. And
Recently
after,
it came, but we are not. Yeah.
so after loading the data in Snowflake, so we have to transformation and loading, right? I mean, it's like ELT process. So do we have
Yes.
any targeted source we need to, load the data again after transformation in the data in Snowflake in real time, I'm asking.
Instead of Snowflake, only everything will be handled. So schema differences you'll see. That's it. Schema or database differences. Target and source related. One schema will be totally source. One schema will be target based.
Okay, thank you.
Let's
Will
go
the
deep level.
will these child accounts help in transferring files from one cloud to another cloud, like from AWS to Azure, or
No,
is
no.
this no, right? Okay.
That is completely again separate account only, right? Just the billing will be added to main account. It will act like a separate account only.
Oh, okay, separate account.
Totally
Okay.
separate account. Yeah, no connection. If you lost something in one account, it won't reflect to other account actually.
Okay. But the child.
Please be on the mute, someone. Yeah. Let me get started. I'll get the verification. Yeah, means.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Sai Sri, I have one doubt actually. See, you're talking about cloud, correct? So the customer has hosted his application in AWS. So mostly you'll go for AWS Snowflake, correct? I mean, region, based on which region?
Chances are there. Yes.
Most of the time.
Yeah, most of the time his source also may be like Snowflake only. He hosted his account on AWS only. He will take the cloud provider help or cloud provider account AWS only. Chances are there.
Because from Azure to Snowflake, which is hosted in AWS, I think there will be a cost involved, I believe, correct? Cost will be
not much. Because what I am doing here, Azure to Snowflake, I'm saying Azure file. Azure, I mean blob. Azure means blob storage, okay? Blob storage file completely loading into Snowflake.
Yeah, which is hosted in AWS.
No problem.
There won't be any cost involved in that because
no, because just we are loading, right? Suppose you remove the file after loading, you remove the file from blob, it won't affect to this Snowflake. If you remove the data, it won't reflect to file, right?
Okay.
Just loading.
Because what I thought is maybe multi-cloud, because one is hosted in Azure, one is hosted in AWS. Because transferring file from cloud to cloud, it involves a costing will be there. That's what I thought. Okay.
Completely one system to other system, right? Once it loaded, modified also vice versa, no connection. So no one-time process, no, it won't.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for actually verification link, guys. Let me refresh. Sometimes it will go to spam mails. Like this, you'll get verification mail. That's the reason I asked you to give proper email ID. So you have to say click to activation. Very easy steps, guys. Without anybody guide also you can do that much easy way you can go with these steps and your username and password. In real time, what will happen is they will hand over, they will create one username for you and password and they will provide to you. You have to use it. So you don't need to go with all the steps. Just username and password. Sometimes it will connect with MFA, right? Other multi-factor authentication, that apps. So you don't need password also. If they give activation, just URL is enough. You'll automatically log in into Snowflake account. So this is Snowflake account. This is home page. Okay, right now it's empty. If I go with any worksheet, I have Python support and SQL completely, not only in our training. If you are working as a Snowflake developer, 95 to 98% I can say, you'll work with completely SQL only. No doubt in that. Okay. So this is a worksheet because we have a combination of now here, if you observe, we have a combination of Snowflake, data engineer and data science also. That is the reason people came with the Python worksheet also, because for machine learning people or data science people, they want Python support. For us as a Snowflake developers, pure SQL only we will use in projects. This all AI related stuff. Okay, remaining all we can use our worksheets, dashboards we can use. and data loads. This all I will explain one by one. Sharing, data sharing concept, okay? Few admin related stuff, admin related part this is. So I go with the database. This all we will only deal. Loading the data, creating the database. This all we will do in our work. For example, this is it. Someone asked, right? How source and target, how it will be separate generally. See here, by using the database level or schema level, any case, both they will do database level or schema level. Maximum database level, I mean schema level only they will do the variation. Means under one database, different schemas will be there. One is raw schema, one is transform staging schema, one is conformed schema. Like this, they will do the variation. Getting my point?
Yeah, I mean, just like dev, QA, and prod, correct?
Yes, yes. Again, again QA environment. There also QA also require data with all these three environments, three combinations, right? Again, they will go with three schemas. Prod also three schemas. That is the way they will do. The environments level means database level differences they will show you. Means dev, UAT, prod like that. No loading. I mean raw layer, staging layer, conformed layer like this means schema level they will give the difference.
Oh.
So this all we will deal, guys. Actually, I didn't create anything. If I create, I will get the 1 minute. Very normal SQL only. You don't think that Snowflake will have something different SQL. Normal SQL only. For example, so now I created no. See here you can see. This is here we can create the table or customize schema. Generally in real time we will go with customize schema. In that schema, all these topics we are going to touch.
So as a developer, we will create schema or already created by
chances, I mean project to project chances will be different. For one project, if we get chance to create the schema, some projects they won't allow you to create schema. Only admin have to create. So project to project, the permissions will be different. Privileges will be different.
Okay. In that case, they will hand over only the schema and whatever the tables that we need to use, then we need to work on those, correct?
Yeah, inside schema, all the objects they will give. All the objects we can create, we can drop. I mean, again, production level, no drop option, no delete option. Only dev level, we can do all the activities, all the privileges we will have. UAT means some limited. Prod means all are limited only. Only read access they will provide. Only few people will have edit option on the prod level. So if I go deep level, what are the objects we are touching under schema? Directly database, okay? If you go under database, only schema option, nothing more than that. But if you go under schema, this all objects is dealt by developers only. Tables, actually three types of tables we have. Permanent table, transient, temporary. That is one combination. Even external table also we have actually. Okay, this all we will I will explain later on. But generally these are the tables we are going to handle. And after the tables, dynamic table is there. Views, metalized views, regular means standard or regular, both are same only. So regular views, metalized views, secure metalized views. This all we will cover. Stages, external stage, internal stage. Okay. External Snowflake managed means nothing but internal stage. This all external stage means here it proves that you can connect with any cloud provider. You are able to see, right? All cloud providers it is allowing to connect. You have to make the setup. So I will discuss about AWS all this. File format, JSON, Avro, Parquet, ORC, this all I'm going to discuss. This we are not going to. Pipe, continuous data loading you are expecting, right? Once the file is dropped into any cloud provider storage system, immediately the file should process without any manual involvement. Snowpipe will come into the picture. If any changes happen on the table, I need to, I mean, generally we are expecting to capture the changes. Means what is currently the data changed, what is the previous data. So CDC concept generally, capture data changes. That is we are going to handle with the stream concept. I want to make the schedule, means on the schedule basis, every day 10 o'clock or weekly twice we have to trigger, like any schedule. Cron method schedule we are going to handle with the task. Functions. any logic is there, you want to repeatedly using the same logic for multiple SQL queries. That like that repetition. I mean, the same logic you will repeat. Kind of work you have to do means you can involve the procedures. Sorry, functions. Store proc. Store proc mainly for multiple queries means you have first you have to create the table if not existed, then insert the data, then delete the duplicates. Like that, if you have any requirement, means the one in one stretch you have to complete all the steps. Okay, not manually, automatically you have to complete means then store proc, insert store proc, all the steps we can write and we can create the store procedure. On top of that, if you add the task, automatically it will do the process. You no need to do any manual work. Okay, till here we will use this all related to AI and ML. We won't use. Okay, whatever the concepts I explained you, all we are going to do practically. Just for your idea, I went with the rough figure. Not only this, actually, masking policy is there, row access policy is there. Suppose you want to hide the data. How you will hide the data? Using masking policy. Like this row access policy is there, JSON data is there, XML data is there. Like this, so much data sharing concept is there. Not only this list, actually, other concepts also I will cover in our class time. Okay. Sorry if I'm going speed. So everything we will cover, but this is the way, like how developer is required to complete the task. That all knowledge I will try to, share with you with the help of these topics.
Hi, Sai
Go to
Sri.
class. Hi.
I have one doubt means what all job roles we can target after completion of this course.
Developer. Straightforward
Okay.
developer. Admin, I don't encourage to my students. Developer only will be like a good life for you long term. Now, genuinely, if we speak, okay, I'm not only working in IT sector. I know almost 45 people are there. Means 43 students almost. Okay, 40 students if I take, 25 to 30 people are working in IT. I hope so, maximum. So everyone knows that now market is not good. Not for Snowflake, I'm saying companies wise. Am I right? So many people are facing, not only our Snowflake side, I'm saying genuinely overall companies how they are behaving means project is there means fine, we are good, we are king there actually in that company, we can rule. But if no project, what is the process they are following now, including TCS? Generally, I'm saying
Layoffs, yeah.
layout. Actually, it's not the kind of layoff. Layoff means everyone will come into that sector on that only. It's not layoff. They're giving notice period. If your notice period is completed, you can go to home. That's it. No salary, no job. That is the trend now. It is happening. Not TCS. They highlighted TCS, but you go with any company. If you are on the bench, 3 months, 2 months, or else sometimes you are on the company only. They are not paying salary. Actually, in old days, means almost 1 year or 1.5 years back, this trend is not there. If we are on the bench for 6 months, 1 year also, they used to pay somehow for us, at least half salary. So, in this kind of situation, if you go with the admin, you'll get very, very, very less opportunities. I won't say Snowflake 100% you'll have job 365 days. Snowflake project also maybe they will change you. They may say, okay, project is completed, budget issues. We can expect out of 10 projects, 1 project we can expect. If we are in that situation, if you're working as a Snowflake developer, you will have a lot of scope to get the opportunity very fastly. So my direction is different little bit. I never say no, nothing will happen in Snowflake life. Snowflake developer also will face the issues because they are giving good packages to us, right? 1 or 2 people will suffer, but they have an immediate solution is they can get the offer. If you go with any other combination, for example, Snowflake admin side, okay, Snowflake what will support side, for example, that life will have less opportunities. That is the reason better always choose the developer. Maybe initially when you are switching from one technology to another technology, I will agree 100%. You will face some difficulties to adjust into that environment or the technology or that project. It's quite common for everyone, including me. But once you adjusted, your life will be smooth road. If you complete the project when you are coming out from outside from that project, you will learn something from there. And that will be add on to your next company or next project. And if they say, can you go outside today or this month is the last working day for Snowflake developer also. If they sit properly and if they apply for the jobs, within a month they can crack the job. But person depends on person. Everyone I can give cannot give guarantee. If person really prepared well and he's really on the technical track, he can get the job, no doubt. First of all, opportunities are there in Snowflake. My point is, other technologies we are very, people are very struggling a lot to at least to see the job posting. That is not happening in Snowflake. Even remote also we have right now. Some companies, not all. Generally, I'm saying. So guys, don't go with the admin part. Admin is not suitable for us. Mainly in India, admin is not suitable.
Hi, Sai Sri.
Hi.
Yeah, I have it. Actually, I joined late. So, what about the DBT and ADF topics? So, how we will cover all
Okay.
those things?
You are 1 minute. I'm about to write that only. You are the
Okay,
same
fine.
question. 1 minute. I didn't explain that because a few people already joined. For them, it will be. So, guys, Snowflake. Okay, who is joined today? For them, it will be some more additional information will be there. What is Snowflake exactly means? Actually, it's a cloud data warehouse, guys. Okay, first market came with this technology only. Only Snowflake, pure Snowflake with SQL. Those things only they used to ask SQL queries and SQL, Snowflake topics. Not more in interviews. This is straightforward questions only, no other questions. Because this will work as a database. Why I'm saying it is capturing the OLAP only, analytics type only, not real time, near to real time. But it will have the capability to store the data also. That is the reason people will say it is a database and data warehouse. Okay, it can do Snowflake alone, only Snowflake technology completely can handle all the transformations, all the business requirement, and push to the data to reporting tool. It can do actually because it already done that job. Now we are hearing a lot of other technologies combination, but initial days when 2021, 22 like that years, pure Snowflake only is there in market. It used to handle the data to reporting team also after transformation. Then later
No,
on, when
sorry,
sorry,
Saisri, but that means it will not process real-time data, only near real-time?
near real time only, right? Only database will process OLTP data. Only pure databases. No other technology will process real time data.
Yeah, that means
Means
if you
real time data means what is the meaning from my side means suppose you transferred any amount from your phone pay, for example, immediately your amount is changed with some balance amount, right? Whatever the balance is there generally.
correct.
Immediately it is showing. That is real time. But in olden days, it used to take some days, 1 day to affect that final amount, right? That is near to real time.
Okay, that means if
With
you get if you get data in the form of messages, then it is real time, right? We can manage it in
uh,
Snowflake.
no, immediately. So first data will be real time data will be captured by source system only. It may be Oracle database, MySQL Server database, anything it may be, or applications, web applications, anything. From there we have to push the data into Snowflake. So some seconds or minutes gap will be there, 100%.
Oh,
Completely real time means no.
okay.
If
Got it.
really completely real time means we are attaching our Snowflake account to direct our application, which is not
Oh,
going to happen. Yeah, that's it.
yeah. Got it.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So this is completely like this it used to handle, guys. Then in 2023, because I'm starting onwards, I'm with the DBT. Okay, DBT is not new for me. When it came into the market with just let us try. That day onwards, I'm saying 2023, not 23, 22 end December or November kind, we started hearing about DBT. Clients are showing interest. Let us explore. That time POCs used to happen. 23 mid, actually, if you take 2023 mid, DBT started market, but with the Snowflake only because DBT is also cloud technology, cloud only, pure cloud. That is the reason when the companies are matching DBT with Snowflake, that combination was a hit combination. In 2024, companies used to search for this combination people only. if you have this combination, you should get, I mean, 24 24, I'm saying 2024, what happened means, if you have Snowflake with DBT, you used to get calls. Just to know DBT, because of the add-on of DBT, you used to get more calls. Now also you have, but that is a very new market, right? People used to search for the candidates. Why DBT is with the best combination with Snowflake means, Snowflake don't have, generally, my observation and my practical experience, I'm saying, my observation, DBT is purely for transformation. DBT cannot store the data. DBT cannot store the code also. It's a transformation, just a middle, it will be there. So it cannot store the data, then how DBT will get the data means, it will depend on Databricks also, not only Snowflake, Postgres, SQL, Spark, Databricks, like the so many are there, right? Like that it will depend. In our case, it will depend on Snowflake. Snowflake is database for DBT. And then DBT will, for data purpose, I'm saying, for code, for storing the code, it will depend on the Git. So finally, this is for transformations only. Then you'll get doubt. Sai Sri, already Snowflake is pro to do all the combination works. Then why still I need to do means DBT is required means, it's considering, I mean, no, DBT if you add with Snowflake, it is the advanced concept actually. What is the benefit with the DBT means, mainly if you go, I mean, if you go with Snowflake with the DBT combination, what benefit? As a developer also we will find the benefit. What is the benefit means? If you have a huge project, okay, 5 to 6 combination of sources you have, that all code management, this all have to do. If you go with the DBT, code management will be easy. Reusability of the code will be easy. SCD concepts we can handle. Views we can handle. Table we can handle. CT concepts we can handle. And functions I said, right? Reusability of logic. Like the macros we can handle. So finally what is happening means, code management is the best way to go with the DBT. Means DBT is mainly, for my case, transformations, and that transformation also code reusability, code management. These both are happening best level in DBT, which we are missing in Snowflake a bit. If you do same work in Snowflake, you won't feel that much comfort zone. Means one table or one logic, one model you can create. The same model output you can use in multiple places. Reusability of the code mainly. And that is the reason, guys. DBT only for transformations, okay? Even you go with any combination technology, DBT have to depend on Git for code storage, data for other databases, anything. But code management is, DBT is the best comparing to other cloud. That is the reason why.
Can we do automation in DBT?
Obviously, one time you write the code, every time manually we cannot run, and that client won't accept. First of all, schedule basis we can trigger it. We have job schedulers, we can trigger it. Full form.
No,
when I'm
apart from GitHub, are you using Terraform?
No, DBT with Git only we will use to store the data.
Okay.
And once generally what we will do, general way, in dev environment, I mean in dev tables, on top of dev tables, you will you will write the code, right? To test how the code is working. So the same, if your code is working properly, you no need to manually run the code on UAT and prod. You can merge the code. It means deployment process is there with the DBT. So in for that deployment process, we will use Git involvement. Git will be involved for that deployment. Means dev to UAT promoted, UAT to prod promotion. Like this deployment process we will do with the Git. And whatever the changes happen, what is the previous track, what is the current changes, that all will be tracked. Who merged the code, who modified, everything will be like under control only. Then Sai Sri, then how will DBT run the queries? Because it don't have any credits, nothing, right? Storage is not there, computer is not there. Then how it will run means actually at the back end, when you run the DBT code in DBT environment, it will hit to Snowflake compute layer only. So DBT is using compute resources of Snowflake to execute the query. So you are paying only DBT tool management only. That's it. You won't pay for the credits or consumption of the compute layer. Snowflake credits only. So Snowflake, storage layer, compute layer, maintenance, everything under Snowflake only. Only DBT tool license purpose you will pay.
So we have to integrate manually Snowflake to DBT, right?
Yeah, one-time integration only. One-time setup actually. Account setup. Admin will do and will provide. Just we have to use it.
So which tools under the DBT comes under? I mean, database tools.
ETL, I can say. If you go deep level, because DBT will take the data from Snowflake, okay, will do transformation in DBT and will load back to Snowflake again. So extract, transform, load.
Source and target should be the same, right?
So same only. Schema changes will be there or database changes. We have to set up that. But same. I can show you somewhere this part.
Hey, Sai Sri.
Tell me. Here I tried for my last batch. So this is my source. 1 minute.
Other technologies were impacted by AI. So can AI also will impact Snowflake like other technologies?
AI is which tool generally is related to data science, something like that, right? Generally.
Yes.
Yeah, obviously. For data science, okay, it's okay. Data science is not starting, right? Before data science, it needs something, data engineer help first. For example, data science team will work for, with the involvement of data engineer. So our Snowflake will be always. How much AI increase? AI is, what is general? I know little bit AI generally. They will say we will get the models. Generally, models will be lot there, right? Like this will be the AI means the models related part only. If you want to create a model, you want data for data science purpose. Generally, you want data means it won't directly go to the Snowflake, source system, and it cannot bring it, right? So first, it may be Snowflake or anyone, data engineer team have to work. Maybe you'll go with the Snowflake, you'll go with Informatica, you'll go with the database, that's not a matter. First, data engineer tools, technologies will be included. Source system will be under, after source system, our data engineer will come into the picture. They will bring the exact data of the business. That business data will be added to AI. Then for strategies, they will go with the machine learning or AI. AI, anything, maybe any data science modules. So how much data science is having the market also, they have to depend on us. No doubt.
AI can be included in future in Snowflake.
Already they added. Still it's not in.
Okay.
Yeah. They're not, tell me.
Cortex Analyst is nothing but I think the AI feature also. AI feature.
Yeah. Obviously, this all AI and ML features on this. You can
AI
see.
and ML features.
They're trying to add AI and ML. That's the reason they added a Python interface worksheet also. But still, it's like under progress. So a lot of things have to develop. That's not just within 6 or 7 months they cannot develop the software, right? It takes some time. Maybe in future data engineers and data science can work in the same account. Chances are there.
So will you teach AI also?
No. AI is a data science. We won't data engineer only.
Okay.
I'm not judging anyone, guys. Don't take in the wrong way. I will always go with the roots only. People are running back of AI who don't know minimum SQL, minimum Python. What they will learn from AI? Generally, I'm saying, ask general discussion. I don't take personally. Generally, if you're deciding any technologies, Naukri is showing more, or YouTube or Instagram, LinkedIn showing a lot of promotion. So that's the technology is high means I won't agree. First of all, we are suitable to the technology or not, we have to decide. So decide on that level, because some people will say 6 months, 1 year on data science, and they will come with empty hands, because first of all they don't have basics. In place of that, what they have to do means first they have to stabilize by themselves, means taking data engineer related roles, working with SQL, improving their Python, understanding the scratch level of data engineer work. Then if they go to data engineer, that life will be easy for them. Okay, immediately don't know anything and directly jumping to data science means it won't work. Maximum it won't work. But the person who is coming from college, third year people I'm saying, not fourth year also, who is preparing from second year and third year, for them they can achieve the data science very easily because they are going from scratch level. Basics they will learn actually, they won't jump directly to subject. For them it is easy. We are already into like job market, right? We should not jump directly to AI. If you have that idea, first experience the data engineer work.
Then
Just suggestion.
this course
Yeah.
doesn't include the Cortex.
No, this totally AI. We are not
Okay.
AI people, right? No.
Okay. Just
Maximum 5
introduction
years you
also.
can. No, I won't touch only because we are not using, without practical knowledge. I won't go with the theoretical part.
Okay. Good. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
here
I see.
we need to
There-
install external DBT tool externally, or it is like
No, that is
SaaS?
also GUI, a SaaS only.
Okay.
Everything SaaS only for us. Azure, AWS, GCP not. Azure, AWS I will use, and Snowflake and DBT. All are free trial accounts, all are SaaS. Okay?
Yeah,
And
yes, I
guys,
see.
tell me,
I have one doubt
tell
actually.
me.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, you said we have no data in Snowflake. From there, we are transferring data by using DBT and loading it again into Snowflake. But
Mm.
how we are getting the data into Snowflake? Is there any other tool that we are using?
Integrations. Source system to
Oh,
Snowflake. Integration. Suppose why I said cloud means that is the trend part. That's it. AWS to
okay,
Snowflake
okay,
means integrations. Azure to
okay,
Snowflake integrations. My connectors also. Not only integrations. Some cases connectors also will come into the picture.
okay. But that means source system will integrate with Azure or AWS any cloud
Anything,
system.
or else sometimes source system is, for example, MySQL server is there.
Mm-hmm.
MySQL
Okay.
server is there, right? Generally I'm saying. So that it will directly, we have connectors. 1 minute. Yeah. Yes. We have connectors. It can connect directly with Snowflake.
Okay, in this case, we won't use cloud provider, right? If we connect
Yeah.
from direct to database, I mean,
Not required.
okay.
Not required. But how the projects decide, like that we have to use. I mean, decision is totally client and architect, right? We will follow. Maximum
I mean,
combination, what I am seeing is a cloud provider involvement only. Maximum I am seeing that. But now means from starting onwards, I am seeing the combinations of cloud only. Max.
so that means we don't use any third-party ETL tool to load from any other source
If we
system
can
to
use,
Snowflake.
if you remember, I mean, some people know, if you see this Metallian fight train, popular
Yes,
once
yes,
upon
correct.
a time. Now it's less, again reduced. Some projects will use, still they are using some projects. Metallian is little
Okay.
bit tough actually. People started not using this. But previously they used Snap Logic. Sometimes we will heard about Snap Logic. This all connectors only. If project is team, I mean, based on their design, if one we will use, or else no.
Okay. So
Anyway, that is also one-time setup only.
So generally,
Yes,
which
sir.
ticketing tool we are using? I mean, in real time.
In real time, my case, I am working all with the cloud provider combination only, no tools. That is also again cost, right?
No,
so
no, ticketing
are
tool. I am asking.
Sorry,
Ticketing tool.
ticketing tool. Azure DevOps, I mean, Scrum board, that one.
Okay.
I mean, are you going to show us I mean, how to get the source system data to Snowflake as well, right?
I will show you cloud combination. MySQL server, if you expect that, I want paid accounts actually. I already tried
No
long
problem.
back. So that's the reason I won't touch databases. But how to push the data through cloud providers, I'll go with Snowpipe, I'll go with ADF also. That all
Okay.
trending only. I'm already using, I used a lot in my projects also. So I'm following the real-time process.
Yeah,
I
that would
can,
be fine.
yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
I
And
think.
guys, tell me. Tell me.
Yeah, once we bring the data from the third parties, the raw data, where we used to store that data in Snowflake and where we used to store that OLAP data.
Everything is Snowflake only.
It is the
Once
database
the
as well as data warehouse.
yeah, that's the reason. Database plus data warehouse. Actually, Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse. People will say that is the actual word. But internally, it is storing the data. It is doing warehouse topics also. Both.
It means there are separate tables are there. It's inside it. Yeah.
We have tables. All this. I mean, Snowflake itself, we have tables. For example, if I go sample data also is there. This all tables only. Generally, we will all this is sample data. Like this, we will also store the data of our client and we will do the process.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
So in Snowflake itself, we need to write any logics. So we need particular data from this table. So I mean,
Select star from like that, whatever
yes,
logic.
okay.
Private connectors will be there. So connectors for every project, I won't say they will use. Depends, guys. I mean, choice is totally architectures, right? Maximum, my observation is they are going with the cloud providers. So I am also like I'm also working with the cloud providers from long time. That is the reason I'm giving like with the confidence I'm giving the classes. This combination will be like evergreen for us. Data, for example, connectors. Like this. See, connectors directly we have. Okay, not only this service now connector, SharePoint connector, so many are there actually. Plugins. See, you have connectors. Like this, based on your source, you can search for the connectors. If you have connectors, directly you can connect. Okay, or else cloud to source to cloud system, cloud to Snowflake. This combination also possibility is there. Okay.
So
I have a lot of.
So most of the time the database data will be taken as a raw file or CSV file. You dump into some storage,
Yes.
AWS or something. Then you lift
Load
the
into
data.
load the file will be loaded into the structured way in Snowflake.
So the Snowflake directly won't connect to any database. I mean, because of the
Will
cost.
connect.
Yeah, will
Connectors is
connect.
there.
But the
Yes.
cost will be high. That's what you're telling.
Not high. Maybe client is expecting not only cost base only they won't check, right? Maybe client is expecting to handle that the same files to different cross base. I mean, not only for Snowflake, other way also they want to use means they may go with centralized storage system. Means AWS or Azure storage system they will keep like a centralized, and they will promote the data to us, and they may reuse for other ways also, for other purpose also, or else in future usage, I mean backup purpose also they will keep the data.
Okay.
In my project, what they used to do means they will clean the data every 6 months.
Okay.
So project to project, the agenda will be different. If they are using cloud system, the agenda will be different. Maybe they are not ready to connect directly to Snowflake. They want control in their hands only. So yeah.
Yeah, might be the mission critical application because like
Yeah, they may
service now and all you cannot connect directly.
No, ServiceNow they provided no. Previously, I worked with ServiceNow client actually in 2023, I think so. That time we don't have connector. Now connector is available for ServiceNow. Actually, team is waiting for that connector to make their life easy. I think they are using now connectors. I think so.
Okay. And one
Nobody.
more thing
Tell
about
me.
this Snow Pro, Snow Core
No
Pro
pro
certification.
certification. Yes,
Yeah,
right.
yeah, the roadmap actually. So
Yeah. First, if you go through, if you have completed the course, first of all, you will able to handle the questions. I mean, at least you'll understand the questions in a proper manner. But if you complete, if you want to write the certification, you need some more theoretical knowledge. Practical is not
okay,
important because
okay.
multiple choice questions will be there. Literally, how it will be means 2 to 3 answers you feel correct only. Choosing the correct option is little bit dilemma. So you have to go theoretically in high level, and badges also is the free badges. You can practice for the questions there. If you are in India, you no need to maximum you no need to worry about certification immediately. Out of India, who is working, they have to take care about certification also because
So totally,
other
how many certifications are there? I mean, path, you have only
three are there. Snow Pro core certification is basic, then advanced mainly. This
okay,
first two only we will do. I done
okay,
already was basic certification means Snow Pro core certification is with important certification at that time. I completed it expired also 2 years only.
okay, okay,
It is not lifelong. Again, if I want, I have to apply.
okay. Next is advanced. Yeah,
Advance is there. That is also have expired period is there.
okay,
So
okay.
if companies ask, we will do because it will expire, right? So no
Yeah, yeah,
use. And the theoretical knowledge won't different. The certification knowledge is different, and working experience is different. That is totally theory part. You may
okay,
understand some key, I mean deep level theoretical part, but practically, if you want to understand or you want to do hands-on means project. If you join in any project, then only you'll get confident.
yeah, yeah.
So certification is there means we cannot say that person is pro.
Okay, okay.
Something at all. Okay. So from my side, guys, I'll give little bit information who didn't join previous session. I have overall 10 plus years, almost 11 years of experience in IT, and from past only Snowflake trainings. I'm working from long back to Snowflake, but only trainings I'm saying 2020 onwards, almost 5 years plus I have only training experience. And first initially started with Snowflake technology only as a trainer. Then later on I shifted to DBT and ADF this all because when trend changes I used to add same like almost I'm giving how my profile is there, how my skill set is there, same skill set I'm applying to you. Okay. Till now I didn't regret about my skill set, so I'm confident with this method. So I'm same thing, my experience, my skill set, my profile, how it is there. I designed the course also accordingly. So few topics will be helpful for practical experience. I mean, practically you have to perform in projects. Few topics you may not experience in projects, but you will experience in interview. So that all experience I added in this course. Okay. So what are the things I faced in my interviews? I mean, what kind of topics is important for project? What topics important for interviews? That all I planned and I added. So I'm not touching any AI Snow Park also. People didn't ask in this batch, but generally Snowpark they will ask. That is Python plus PySpark means Spark plus Snowflake actually. So that is not our subject. That is also one kind of data engineer only. Spark knowledge should have. Again, we will change our track. First, initially settle down with the Snowflake. Complete at least 1.5 year or 1 year, 2 years in Snowflake technology purely. Then, if you want, add on Snowpark all this. Okay. Suddenly, you should not go with these multiple things. It won't work for you. So whatever the course I'm giving, everything will be like a real-time experience I have, and then I'm adding here. Second thing, SQL. SQL is very important for everyone, but to learn Snowflake or to crack the job also. At least intermediate level, I'm expecting. Nobody are pro with SQL, guys. If you practice, you are pro, or else no. If you have experience 5 years back, you worked with SQL, means no, you may not write the queries. So practice is compulsory. Who don't know, also no problem. Our team is already providing SQL classes for you. You can connect with admin. They will provide the details to you. So with that SQL, you can improve your SQL basics and little bit intermediate also. Later on, you will have lot of SQL questions in the internet. Randomly pick and try to read the question and try to write the answer. That is the way. One day, I'm not expecting from you. 2 months we are going to start this journey. I mean, 2 months it will take to complete this Snowflake training journey end to end. Within these 2 months, every day 5 questions, if you touch also enough. You will be pro at the interview time. So totally your patience and practice makes you strong in SQL. Nobody can help you without your involvement. Okay. Still, Sai Sri, I'm not able to get into this SQL. Can you help me? Once you complete the our team recordings, then you come to me. I will understand your position. According to that, I will guide you what to do next. Okay. Because every person case won't be same for me. And resume preparation, we will take care. Any career related gaps or something like that issues, we will take care. Documentations you want, Karthik team admin will take care. I don't have any idea. They will only take care about the documentation, all this. And technically, every day I will connect with you. You will have same time. Don't think today is the demo. That's the reason for attracting you. I gave the space to ask the questions. Every day you go with randomly with any class of mine. Every day we will have doubt session. Once completed, I will go with your doubts. You are okay, then I will close the session. My intention is not to escape from your doubts. I have to clear. Maybe out of 100 questions, 1 or 2 if I don't know. Firstly, 10 questions I don't know, I will learn and I'll explain. But we never, I never skip the questions what you are asking in class. Maximum I will try. Okay. So mock interviews, if you are completing course end to end, you are ready. I am ready to take mock interviews. I'll give guidance how to apply for the jobs, and resume preparation help also we will do. All this will be included, guys, as usual. It will be repeated for you, but as usual, all these things I am going to take care. Okay.
And the SQL sessions is included in this course, or
No. That is
separate? Okay.
personally you will get that course from Karthik. Okay. I think you don't have any questions. I will hand over to Karthik. 1 minute, I'll give time. No questions, I will stop from here.
Go ahead.
Hey, Sai
Okay.
Sri,
Tell me.
actually, I have an experience of 4.5 years in PL SQL. Then what experience should I mention in a resume for Snowflake?
Okay, not only you, Samiksha, everyone I'm saying guys, for everyone casual, general information. If you have some experience, for example, 4 years or 5 years, 6 years, based on your experience, we will add 2 years. For example, her case 4 point or something, 4 and off. We will add 2.1, 2.2. That is enough. Like that, based on your overall experience, each profile will have difference of, which we have to mention in Snowflake. I will make it different. So in her case, 2.3 I will mention, for example. In the 2.3, starting maybe 11 months, not 11 months, 1.2 or 1.1 like that, pure Snowflake, and remaining I will make here to keep Snowflake with DBT. Like this we will plan. So nobody will have initially genuine experience, right? We will convert your existing experience to Snowflake experience. This will be pattern for everyone. Maybe if you have 9 years experience, I'll go minimum 3.5 years like that, below 4 like that.
So if the people walked into non-IT, the designation will also change. So that will impact if that impact on, oh.
No. Actually, no. In our designation, they may give consultant or a support. So many things will give, right? No problem. It won't affect. You can apply because HR will see your resume only. Your pay slips are genuine. Your PF genuine. This they will check. Titles, nobody will think about the title because I am also came from the scratch level only. I didn't face any time that kind of issue. Okay. So you no need to worry on that. That is on your offer letter, right? Current company offer letter. They will check genuinely worked with that company or not. They will share the mail and they will connect with your previous, current company HR. They'll ask one person worked or not, how many days, what is the joining, what is the end date. This kind of verification will be there. So you no need to worry. Okay.
Sai Sri, one thing. Actually, you will provide the recordings and those things, material also for this?
Every day, once the class is completed, it takes processing. For processing, Zoom recording will process within 3 hours or 4 hours sometime. Once it is processed, admin team only will add the recording. Material every day, once class is completed, I will add. It will reflect to your website.
Okay, fine.
You no need to ask anyone. Once you paid the amount, I think they will give access also from day one only. You can check with them all the details. Okay. Karthik, please take from here. Karthik, are you there? Any other doubts for admin team? Any doubts, guys?
No, SaiSri, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
So hi everyone, this is Karthik
Karthik,
again. This is Karthik from RAS Cloud Technologies. As I said you in the initial of the session, Sai Sri, have you explained anything about the offer?
Only technical part.
Okay, okay, done. Yeah, thank you. So as I mentioned, something like there is some special offer is available today. I just like want to close it with that. Okay. So yeah, there is some special offer is available for everyone, whoever is going to enroll today or any of the courses. Okay. So all our courses today, the flat 15% discount. Sorry, flat 15% discount is available on all our trainings on the code of September 15th. Okay. So this is the code, and you're going to get a 15% offer today if you plan to enroll. If someone want to like just enroll for the program, like how to enroll, I'm just like showing you. Click on sign up with Google here. Click on sign up with Google. Always use sign in with Google. Don't go with any user ID or password. Okay, don't use any user ID or password here. So just click on sign in with Google. If you have logged in with your mail ID, then that is fine. You can select which mail ID you want to log in. I want to log in with this mail ID now. So I'm just clicking on this mail ID. And just stay connected with me, whoever enrolled already. I'll show you like how to access the recordings and material also. Okay, yeah, just go to the courses section again. Once you log in, you will be able to see students. Okay, students and logout options. If you don't log in, you're not able to see these two things. Okay, just go to the courses section here, click on Snowflake training, click on Snowflake training. Okay, see, to learn Snowflake we need SQL part. Okay, we need SQL part. So SQL part, like we are covering here, we are giving you the complimentary course. Okay, so which is having a 15 hours of sessions, 15 hours of content, and 10 videos are available. I hope like whoever paid already, they got this access and they are watching right now already. Okay, so if you want to enroll today, yes, you can go ahead for this, and you will get the Oracle classes as a complimentary and Snowflake course also. Okay, there are two batches going on, morning and evening. Morning batch timings are 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch timings are 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Right now, this session is belongs to the morning batch people actually. The first two classes will be taking in the evening actually. Why? Because everyone not paid students also will be able to join this class, right? That is the reason why we have just taken this session in the evening. Okay, from the next session, the session will be in the morning only for the paid people. Okay, next session will be in the morning itself, and this is for only paid people. Got it? So if you want to enroll, click on pay and enroll now. Click on pay and enroll now. The 15% cart discount is already applied. It will ask you your basic information, your mail ID, and your basic information. Okay, the actual course price is 14,999. But after applying this coupon, you will get it for just 12,749 is your course price. And there are two payment modes are available here. The first one is Indian credit or debit cards. Okay, if you want to use your Indian accounts, Indian credit cards, debit cards, EMI, UPI option, anything, you can opt for this. If you want to go for international payment method, that means you are out of India, you want to use any other bank accounts, then you can go for this option. You can select this option and you can go for the payment. Got it? Yes. This is how the payment option will work for you. And this offer, like mostly we are closing today itself. So if you want to enroll for this program, just like complete your payment through website, or you just contact us here. You can just contact us here. 8105296858. This is our calling and WhatsApp number as well. My team will help you for registration process. Okay. And I just like want to show you like how to access the recordings and material once you enroll. Okay. Once you enroll, how to access this material and recordings, I'll just show you once. Okay. So the people who have already enrolled, you might have got this. Okay, as I am the admin, I have all the course access here, but for you people, only this course will be available. Okay, Snowflake DBT and ADF batch number 14. You can just click on this. You can just click on this, click on start learning. Click on start learning. You can see here session 1 to 10. We have uploaded only 1 to 10 classes. 1 to 10 classes. Okay. Once we done with the session, today is the first session I have done already. The first session will replace here. Tomorrow second session will replace here. Day after tomorrow third session will replace here. In this way we'll replace all the videos here. Okay. Even if you are able to see zeros here, you can just click on the video. It will be available. No need to worry. Yeah, see the video is available. Okay. Below the video itself, the materials will be available. Below the video only, the materials will available. Okay. This is how you can access the previous batch first 10 classes recordings. The people, whoever is going to pay now, you are going to get the previous batch first 10 classes recordings also for reference purpose. Okay. And whenever we are done with session number 1, session number 1 will replace here. When we are done with 2, session 2 will replace here. In this way, we are going to replace all these classes as well. Got it? So still anyone having any questions, let me know please.
What is the course validity? This video.
So recordings access, I mean you're asking for recordings validity. You can access it for lifetime.
Okay.
Yeah, still.
Karthik, when will the first batch will start?
First batch you're asking for first session.
Yes, first session.
Today is the introduction session for these like kind of account creation one is done today. Okay, the next session will be the actual class. Before the next session, you need to complete your account creation and everything. So if you need any help also, the group is already created, right? So the group will be enabled to you. You can post your queries in the group and you can get cleared.
That means first session will start tomorrow morning itself, right?
I'll just confirm the things. It is a tomorrow morning or day after tomorrow morning. I'll just confirm you because this week I said you alternative days, right? So I'll just like confirm you with the trainer and I can update you on this in the group.
Okay, these sessions are in alternative days. Right?
Yes, yes. The first 2 weeks, as I said, it will be alternative days. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we confirmed actually, but due to some concern, like we haven't done the session in the Monday yesterday, so we are going with Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Okay, this from next week onwards.
Next week onwards, like mostly the thing is why we are going with alternative days classes. The people whoever enrolled, you need to complete the Oracle classes. This is the first priority, and the second priority is account setup and everything to be done. If your batch people can be done by this Saturday, from Monday itself we can go for regular sessions, Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday, okay.
Yes, yes.
So what is the duration of this course? 45 days?
50 to 55 days actually. You can plan for 2 months, complete pack of 2 months.
Okay.
Yes.
That's 55 sessions or 55 days?
No, 55 days it is. 45 sessions will be taken by you. 45 to 46 sessions as per your batch because there will be many doubts clear sessions will be there. So 45 will be the actual sessions. If there is any extra classes for the doubt clearance and anything else, if you request, at the time we can extend, not a problem.
I'm asking one more question. Actually, Snowflake, I have some little idea about what are the topics and all. What about DBT? DBT, how many topics and how many days you will, I mean, sessions it will take actually for DBT?
See, we are not exactly taking for only separately the Snowflake 30 classes, DBT 10 classes, ADF 10 classes, not like that. Okay. So wherever we require DBT when we are delivering the Snowflake, DBT will come there. Okay. So like that, like we have just mixed up the complete sessions. So mostly you can expect like around 8 to 9 classes on DBT.
Okay.
Mostly 8, yeah.
Yeah, Karthik.
Please.
For this class, means second half we can connect, like evening classes.
Evening classes, the batch is already started and we have done with almost 13 to 14 classes we have done. If you want to continue in the evening batch, you can continue. Okay, and I'll help you with the next batch also. Okay, you can continue with the current batch. You can join the current batch and you can continue with the classes. If you are coping up with the current batch, that is fine. If not, I'll help you with the next batch also.
Okay. When next batch are planning?
Next batch mostly the next month end. Because see, we have planned every month we'll be starting one batch. Okay, this batch is started on 28th of August. So mostly by this September 28th or 29th, we are planning for this September evening batch as well. Upcoming evening, 15th batch.
Karthik?
Yes, please.
Yeah, again, continue from the evening batch. Whatever the classes I have missed, those can I attend from this morning session? Is it okay?
We'll plan, Narendra garu. No issues on that. Just connect with me after the session. I'll help you like how the actually how you can cover and everything. I'll help you with that. Okay. After the session, just connect with me personally. Okay.
Okay.
Karthik, what is the timings in the morning session?
8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Adit garu. 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Still any questions from anyone, please? If you have any questions, please let me know so that I can help you with that.
Yeah, if we didn't join the classes, we can go through the video. Huh?
Yeah, see, the thing is, even if you join, if you not join, the recordings will be provided to you for sure. Okay, you can access these recordings for lifetime.
Okay.
Yeah. Still any questions from anyone, please?
Karthik, what about Snowflake Access? Actually, we have trial version only, right? Or
yeah, with the trial version only, we are going to complete the batch actually.
Okay.
We are going to use the complete features from the trial account itself, trial version itself.
And one more thing, actually, I have already used the trial account for some learning, but it's expired. But we can.
No issues. You can create. Yeah, you can create another one with the same mail ID. You can create another one. Don't worry.
Okay.
In the next session, mostly SaiSri will cover about that too. Okay, because if you will confuse. Okay, if she covers all the things in single session, you will confuse. Don't worry. With the same mail ID, again you are going to create another account also. You can ask in the next session. She'll help you about that. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. Still any questions from anyone?
Hey, hi Raj. I think I missed some.
Okay,
So
you missed some part. Sure, Santosh.
some part.
You just drop your name and WhatsApp number over chat. My team will help you with the recorded session of this session. You can get it. Okay, no issues.
Okay, just can you let me know batch timing and what is the course fee or duration?
Yeah, I'll tell you. So here the course is Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF and AWS as well. Okay, Snowflake and DBT will be covered fully from basics to advanced. All concepts of Snowflake and DBT will be covered here. ADF and AWS will be covered integrations. Only the integrations part will be covered in AWS and ADF. This course duration is like 50 to 55 days, daily 1.5 hour, weekly 5 days, Saturday and Sunday is holiday. Okay, and the class timings are morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay, the class timings are morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the fee structure is 15,000 rupees is the course price. But today we have given some offer for review. So if you want to enroll today, you are going to get a 15% flat discount on all our courses, so that you can get this course for only at 12,749 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you just drop me your name and WhatsApp number over chat. My team will share you the complete information with the course curriculum and everything. Okay, so that like you can get it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Still any questions from anyone, please? If you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number yet, please drop me your name and WhatsApp number over chat so that you will get all the updates and you will be added to our WhatsApp group as well. I see no questions here. If you are clear with the complete information, can we end the session? Can I get clear in the chat at least?
What is the WhatsApp group name actually?
Snowflake DBT, Snowflake Batch 14, Raj Cloud Tech.
Batch 14.
Yeah, if you haven't added, just contact the team. My team will help you. Okay, just drop me a message wherever you have enrolled. Just drop me a message. My team will help you for that.
I think they have not added. Okay.
Yeah, just drop me a message. My team will help you for that. Okay. Still any questions from anyone, please? Yeah, I see no questions here. I just like request everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel, RAS Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. Here in these YouTube channel, you are going to get today's session recording as well. Today's session recording also uploaded here. Okay, by tomorrow morning it will upload here. You can access it from here. And follow our Instagram page. Follow our Instagram page for more job updates. For more job updates. Okay, I have just shared the link over Zoom chat. You can use this link and you can follow our channel so that we can help you with the complete information. Okay, and about the job updates, everything you can get it here. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you so much for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you so much.